Hello and welcome to Ruth Straight Talk. I'm Cynthia Ruth. Every parent wants the very best education for their children. And if you are leaning towards homeschooling, you need to see this video. I would like to share with you the 5 top pros and cons regarding homeschooling. So let's get right to it. The primary reason why parents become homeschool teachers is because they are totally dissatisfied with the educational standards of their public schools. Every child is an individual, and no one program will work for all students. The homeschool environment is that perfect setting that will allow you as a parent to provide the individualized learning system that is best for your child's ability, unique interest, and learning styles. The lack of religious and moral instruction in schools, plus the possibility of their child being bullied, is the second most important reason why parents choose to homeschool their children. Parents have the unique opportunity to build moral and religious instructions into the curriculum. Plus, they can teach their children about bullying and can shield their child from would-be bullies. Flexibility is another reason why parents choose to homeschool their kids. While structure is really important, life happens. Homeschooling allows you to design the school day around the best family schedule. Plus, your kids will really enjoy not waking up at the crack of dawn to have to catch the school bus. The fourth most important reason for homeschooling is convenience. Learning can occur at any location. Your child could do video math games in the car. He can do independent reading at the doctor's office. The convenience is especially important for families that do a lot of traveling and want to spend more time with their families. Fifth most important reason why parents choose to homeschool their kids is to make their children lifelong learners. The parent has the unique opportunity of allowing the child to implement the skills that he's learned in the curriculum and apply it to daily life. You can teach your child to budget their money. You can teach them time management. You can teach them how to put together a construction project. You can even teach your child how to handle conflict resolution. There's so many ways that you can apply what you are teaching your child in the curriculum to his daily life skills. Teachers in regular schools don't have that opportunity. So there you have it, the 5 top reasons why parents choose to homeschool their children. However, there is a downside to choosing to homeschool. The most important reason why parents have difficulty with homeschool is the cost. Public school systems generally pay for your child's education, and the monies that you would pay out if your child is going to public school is minimum, maybe $100 for the entire school year. However, homeschooling can cost up to $1,000 if you have a high school student. That is sometimes prohibitive for homeschooled parents. Another difficulty for homeschooling moms is that she has to be super organized, especially if you have several school-age children. For example, a kindergarten student would have much different needs than a high school student. Yet mom has to be teacher for both. Plus she has to cook and clean and do the laundry and run errands. A third difficulty that homeschool parents might encounter is that they don't have the strategies that a state-certified teacher might have. And while you might enjoy teaching your child, you may not have the skill set to teach a specifically difficult subject to your child. By the way, the solution to that is found in a flexible virtual school program. You can see my video on flexible online schoolings that will help you with this particular situation. A fourth difficulty that homeschool parents have is that very often they fall behind in the curriculum and the students have to work through the summer to complete the school year. Even if they finish on time, homeschooled parents find themselves spending many summer hours building portfolios and lesson plans for the upcoming school year. The fifth difficulty that a homeschool parent may encounter is that teaching homeschool can be grueling and overwhelming, and the parent can become burnt out. Also, even though your child may not tell you this, older children sometimes really prefer to have teachers other than their moms. So there you have it, the good and the bad of homeschooling. No one understands your child exactly like you do, and you have the unique opportunity of choosing the right education system that serves your child. If you choose to homeschool your child, then check out my video on strategies to teach your homeschooler difficult concepts. If this video has helped you, please like us and hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Until next time, happy learning. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, here are some other videos that you might enjoy. If none of these videos catch your fancy, please leave me a message below and let me know what topics you would like me to research for you. Thank you so much for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com.